Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you HeyGen is better or Synthesia. So let's begin. Here I have first opened the Synthesia. You can see that here you have three type of aviators. So you can select any one. So I have selected this girl and here you can write prompt what you want it to say. Now here I have written the prompt. You can see that, and after that simply you have to click on create free AI video. Then they can create this aviator type of video for you.
Hey, this is how you can create avatar videos in Synthesia. Here, you can see the video how it turned out.
Now here I have opened the HeyGen. Here you can see all the aviators accessible in HeyGen. You can see that in Synthesia you have access only to 3, but in HeyGen you have access to many more aviators. So here I will use this aviator. So for that, click on create video. Here you can create with script, voiceover or with uploaded file. Here I am just writing my script. Here after writing the script you can choose different type of voices. Here you can see many voices. Here you can choose one, and here after that you can choose the frame as well, whether you want a portrait, YouTube size or scale. So I will just go with a scale here. Now you can click on generate.
So this the example how you can use avatar video on HeyGen. And here you can see that I am much better than Synthesia with my lip sync and hand movements.
Now here again I am on the Synthesia, and here I will choose one more aviator. This time let's go with a male aviator, and here I will write the script for this aviator.
Of the key points of the proposal we discussed today, I will put you in touch with your onboarding PA.
In the HeyGen you can see many more aviators. Now if I go and if we play one for you.
Video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. New era of video creation with HeyGen.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Here you have seen all these aviators and how well these aviators are doing. Now let's go and compare the Synthesia plans. Here you can see that they offer an enterprise plan. Here you can see their creator plan, that is $64 per month. Here you can see what the feature these plans include. Similarly, here you have the starter plan, and you can see all the features here in the starter plan as well. And here you can also see their free plan and what it includes. Now let's go to HeyGen. You have two plans, starter and creator. Here you can see the cost for the starter, monthly cost and the annually cost. And here you can see how many features you have here. Similarly, you also have here this creator plan. You can also see their monthly and annually billing. These plans are much cheaper than the Synthesia's plan. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.